One day, Mother Butterfly needed to go out because she had something urgent to do, so she poured half of the water out of the jug and drank it all, but she forgot to leave some for little butterfly. The little butterfly woke up and wanted to have a big hot can blow.
Which one?
This one.
Boiling
Eggs. The river became dry. The animals in the forest were forced to drink water from the well. As usual, the father butterfly brought a jug of water from the well and put it in the house for the mother butterfly and their baby to drink. Then the mother butterfly poured the water out of the jug into a cup. Water as usual. There was nothing in the glass. He did not know how to get water from the jug into the glass, and then he started crying. The mother butterfly just finished her work and came back, saw the crying baby, and asked, "What is the matter, child?" The little butterfly said, "I am thirsty, but I do not know how to get water." Mother called the baby to the table and said, "What is this?" Earnestly, "Now you have to learn to do it by yourself. I cannot help you from a lifetime. Try to get water from the